Hey Q. Okay, so I will show you how to do a real quick text wrap. It might seem a little bit weird the way that I'm going to have you do it, but I promise it'll make sense when you're all done. So I'm just going to create a real quick circle. I apologize for my daughter in the background. Make it a quick color. Okay, so this is what I'm going to wrap the text around. So I'll create my text box real quick so you can see it there. I'm going to align it to the right just because I like the nice clean line that it'll make around it, but you can justify the text any way you want. Okay, so I want it to wrap around the circle. Now the graphic that you have is more complex than a circle, so that's why I'm showing you this way to do it, because you can have a little bit more control of the text wrap this way. So what you're going to do next is you're going to come up here and go to your pen tool, and you are going to create just a very, very rough outline around your shape. And you don't even have to go all the way around, just the part that you want to wrap around your photo. Okay, so I've created that. You want to make sure that whatever object you are putting the text wrap on is all the way at the very, very front. So your professor probably talked about like working in layers. So this needs to be the very, very top layer. So you just go to Object, Arrange, and Bring to Front. That'll do that for you. The next thing you want to go to is Object and Text Wrap, and you'll see Make or Text Wrap options. So go ahead and go to Text Wrap options, and this is where you can let it know, let the program know how far away you want the text to go from your object. We'll go ahead, because of the way we're doing this, because we use that pen tool, we can just keep it what it is. You can always change it later. So you click OK, and then you go Object, Text Wrap, and Make. And now you'll see it's wrapped pretty nicely around that shape that we created. Now we obviously don't want this big black box on top of it, because you want people to see the really cool graphic design that you made. So all we're going to do now is change this to None. And you have yourself a really nice, pretty text wrap. Hope that helps. Good luck on your project.